Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Diwali, the festival of lights, is just around the corner. And what better way to kickstart off the festivities than some early home decorations? Last year after Diwali, I showed you how I pack all my decor. And this time you will see how easy it is once all the decor has been packed carefully and categorized individually. But before we start, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you do not miss any of our festive content. Let's get started. Diwali and flowers are like match made in heaven. And I want to start with the most delightful element, these floral garlands. These garlands have been as old as my homemaking journey, and each year I pack them carefully after the festivities are over. But before I start further, I wanted to show you there were few changes that I made to my living room.
You were made with love. You were made with love. You were made with love for this world. Silence speaks under our feet.
Now let's talk about the colorful decor. Diwali is all about embracing vibrant color that symbolizes joy and positivity. I am adding that pop of color with cushions, flowers, different artworks, and all the festive decor that I already have. This year, I am shopping my own home and enjoying all the things that I have in my stash, styling it in an absolutely new way. I had these glass terrarium for a very long time and I decided to use it with festive decor this year. I'll simply hang them with help of jute twine. These floral torans I got from Amazon and they have been adorning my main door for a couple of years now. I like to decorate in color themes. So this year's color theme is mustard yellow, burnt orange, deep maroons, and lots of blue.
Because I got to say, so I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do? So I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do now? Make me feel loved and treasured. You are water in the desert, my fox, my missing puzzle piece. You make me feel loved, protected. Boy, we could talk forever on the couch, sipping bourbon, please. And in the morning we will start up the French press. I'll be thinking to myself, how did I get so lucky? Your heart is sweet like honey. And in the evenings when we settle in bed, it's like you're in my head. How did I get so lucky? So I say it again and again. in love with you. What are we gonna do? So I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do now? Make me feel loved and treasured. You are water in the desert. My fox, my missing puzzle piece.
In my last video, I did 5 DIYs, of which one I'm going to hang to the wall. And this is my safest rental friendly trick, to use a paper tape and a double-sided tape. And this stays strong. If you've watched till here, then consider subscribing to the channel and hit that bell notification to stay updated on upcoming festive content. We are going to share a complete home tour, my mandir organization, and some lovely and delicious recipes in all the upcoming videos. So consider subscribing and follow me on Instagram at simplyamazinglifebykaushiki. I'll leave you with amazing music, some beautiful flickering lights, with a hope to see you next time in my new video.
If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I'd take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do